I wanted to make this because I think this is really something important to consider. I was at a bonfire party recently or a bonfire event, and they were talking about the fact that they were pleased that they had saved King James from the gunpowder plot, which is the whole background to Bonfire Night. King James then ordered everyone to have these massive fire celebrations to celebrate the fact that he was still alive. However, King James I, the Sixth of Scotland, was directly responsible for the witch hunts of that era. And thus, I don't know why I hadn't made this connection before, but I found myself at this event just thinking, oh my God, here I am, a witch who's been a witch in many, many generations, and the persecution of women, the person who started the 1600 witch trials, the 17th century witch trials, is who I'm here celebrating the life of. My friend said to me, oh, but, people have commandeered it for other things and, made it their own, etc. Yeah, maybe. But ultimately, no thanks. So this bonfire night, which is November the 5th typically, and the Reed full moon, I will be running a sacred circle to commiserate and remember all of those women who died because of that single man's fear of women, his misogyny. Fuck him.